The next one is an arm press. The arm press is really great for strengthening our nervous system. An arm press is we're going to take our elbows about shoulder height. So we want them around breast or just a little bit higher than the chest area. And we want to touch the entire palm to elbow together. So this is called an arm press. We're going to do this 5 to 20 times also. You're going to push with your exhale, release with the inhale. Push and hold, then release. Push and hold, and then release. Push and hold, and then release. Doing that with your breath, okay? Remember to start slow with any of these. Build up as your body gains the muscle and as your breath becomes more natural as you do these exercises. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.